The Apple Pencil, $129. The second generation Apple Pencil has a white matte finish with one flat side. The flat side is what is used to pair the iPad Pro for charging. It connects by magnetically snapping into place on the iPad Pro. The Apple Pencil charges in 50 seconds for 30 minutes of use and 15 minutes for a full charge. It detects pressure and tilt, making it surprisingly responsive and feel natural when drawing or taking notes. You can switch from drawing or writing to erasing by double tapping the Apple Pencil. You can also modify this in the settings to switch to another tool or to show the color palette instead. It has replaceable tips, and if you use matte screen protectors, you'll be grateful for them. The second generation Apple Pencil is compatible with the iPad Pro models, the 2018 iPad, and the M1 iPad mini. The Apple Pencil has a lightweight, natural feel that I haven't found with any other drawing accessory as of the recording of this video. To hear about even more accessories, click right here.